Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this scroll variant animation using Framer without writing any single line of code. Plus, I'll also share the free remix link in the description. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Okay, first create a project and name it anything you'd like. I'm naming it scroll variant tutorial. Now click this layer, desktop, click this layout to make it stack. Press F on your keyboard to add frame and change the width to fill and make it viewport 100 VH. Right click on the frame and click this create component. Name it again anything. I'm naming it hero section. Inside this component we will add our text. Click this layout and press T on your keyboard to add text and type the text. Change the font to Satoshi and change the pixel to RAM 7.5. Change the weight to medium. Change the width to fill and we will change the color later. Now let's add our subheading. Again press T on your keyboard and paste our text. Change the width to regular and change the size to 3.13. Let's wrap this two layer into another stack by selecting it and press Ctrl Alt Enter. Name it headline and sub headline. Change the direction to vertical. Align it start and click this AirPod Pro Max. Right click on your keyboard to place it at the top. Now let's upload our images and you can find all the images on our asset panel here on the main project. And I'll share the free remix link in the description. Let's take a frame again. Click this fill image and upload our first image. Change the width to 520 and height to 574. And we can wrap this into another stack. Name it image. Select both. Wrap it again. Name it container. Now let's add pricing and buttons. Press T again. Write 549. Click this variant 1. Change the direction to vertical. Select it. Press down arrow on your keyboard. And finally, let's add button. Set the width 160 and height 50. Radius 40. Type learn more. Select the frame and make it stack by click this layout. Now select it. Change the weight to medium and decrease the font to 1.25. Name it learn more. Press Ctrl and D or Command D to duplicate it one more time and change the name to buy. Change the name. Remove its fill color. Add a border color white. Now select both and wrap it into another stack and name it buttons and change the direction to horizontal. Now let's color it. Add the background color and this text color. As you can see, there's a linear gradient in the background. To create that, go to the variant 1, scroll down, fill, linear gradient and add the hex code this and add some padding overall, I guess 30, and increase the height to 1000. Now click here, color, linear gradient and change the color to this FFF and here D1 100%. Copy this linear, paste it here, also here, and this learn more. For this learn more text, change the color to this color, and here change the color to FFF. Now add some padding, I guess 20 on the container, and change the width to fill. Perfect. We have successfully created our first variant. But as you can see, there are 4 more images and colors. So we need to create 4 more additional variants. Just click here, zoom out a bit, and click this variant to add another variant, which is this. All we need to do is update the image and color. The text stays the same, as you can see. I'll speed this part since it's a repetitive process. Now it's time to work on the scroll variant. When that frame scrolls into view, the next section will appear. In this case, we have 5 variants, but the first one is already on the canvas. So we need 4 additional frames. But placing frames randomly can cause scroll delays or inconsistencies, because we can just position them without considering the height. So for this, let's use a frame with a fixed height of, I guess, 600 pixel. Let's make the height fit content and add a frame, name it spacer, change the width to fill and height 600, make it layout, and inside this frame we will use an empty frame, name it 1. Now go to the spacer, align it, int, and now copy it 3 more times. Change the name. Now click this one, scroll section, and name it 1. Name it 2, 3, and 4. Now click this hero section, effects, scroll variant, and choose the trigger section in view. Set the viewport bottom and select the section 1 and set the variant 2. Add section for the second section, set the variant 3. For the 3, set the variant 4, and lastly for the 4, set the variant 5. Now let's give it a preview to see how it looks. It's not working. It's because for the sticky effect to work, make sure the parent layer's overflow is set to visible. So the parent layer is desktop, and change the overflow to visible. Preview it one more time. Yes, it's working. So one last thing we have to do is adding this loop animation. It's actually pretty simple. Just double click on it and click this image, effect, loop, scale it 1.1 and remove the rotation to 0. Now let's see. The animation is working, but it's not looping with a mirrored effect. Let's fix that. It's also too fast. So we should increase the duration to slow it down. So to do that, again go to the effect and type mirror, go to the transition and increase the time to, I guess, 2.5 seconds. Now let's preview it one more time. Perfect. This is how you can easily create a scroll variant. If you watched until the end, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. That's pretty much it, and I'll see you in the next video inshallah.